Holly Kaminga. I am the service director at Lexus Southwest Houston, and I have been here and with this dealership for 25 years. When the robot first got here, it was kind of a novelty and everybody, was looking at it, and we have a large customer window where the customers can sit in and watch, and it's always interesting to watch, their faces kind of light up when they're sitting there and all of a sudden the robot comes by. Having the robot has helped with our wait times because it's keeping the technician in the stall. Rather than them having to leave and go to the back parts counter, they're able to stay in their stall, request the parts be delivered to them, and they can continue on with either another repair on that car or the multi-point inspection.
My name is Ricardo. I've been working here at Lexus Southwest Houston for 10 years now. I am a diagnostic specialist. We pretty much didn't have a delivery system. We had to walk over to parts wherever in the shop we were, whether it'd be all the way in the back. You'd have to come into parts, give them the information on the vehicle, and wait for them to pull the part and then go back to our working station. It's very critical, the amount of time that we spend in our bay working on the vehicles. So now that we have the robot, you can pretty much just turn on the computer and tag the robot. That's what we call it, tag the robot, so they can send the parts over and we can just keep working on the vehicle. We don't waste any time having to walk over to parts. There's a time where I was driving straight at it and it picked me up and it actually moved out of the way and went around. It's a tool that we have and it helps us stay in our work area and just keep that group going,
My name is Marco Ibanez. I work for Group 1 for 4 years. I am the parts assistant manager. Before the robot, it was a lot of going to the back where the tire racks are at and just driving them out ourselves. It's gotta be at least an hour of your time spent running tires. At this point, I say it's just like another worker, an AI worker. It just comes through, it does its thing. The robot is this new advancement that as we're implementing it, we're seeing it just reduce time.